Green tomato pie, once a staple in the 19th century, was crafted using unripe tomatoes, which imparted a distinct sweet and tangy flavor profile. Over time, however, its unusual taste led to a decline in its popularity. Transitioning to sardine pie, it gained traction during the 1950s and 60s as a nutritious meal option. This dish combined canned sardines with potatoes and onions, yet despite its health benefits, many turn away due to its strong flavor. In the post-war era, spaghetti pie emerged as an innovative way to repurpose leftovers. This dish mixed spaghetti with eggs and cheese, yet the unusual texture and pie crust pairing ultimately diminished its appeal over time. Cottage cheese pie traces its roots to Central European immigrants who introduced their recipes to America, establishing it as a practical dessert choice. Nevertheless, its creamy texture and tangy flavor did not resonate with everyone. Similarly, sauerkraut pie developed within German-American communities, utilizing the common ingredient sauerkraut to create a dish that balanced sweet and savory flavors. Its distinctive taste made it a memorable addition to family gatherings during the 1950s and 60s. Moreover, other unconventional pies, such as mayonnaise pie and mushroom and onion pie, evoked mixed reactions due to their peculiar ingredients and flavor profiles. These dishes exemplified the culinary experimentation trends present in mid-20th century America. The avocado lime pie of the 1960s uniquely combined creamy avocados with tangy lime juice, creating a dessert experience that received varied opinions on its flavor and texture. Often featuring a graham cracker crust, the pie was visually striking with avocado slices adorning the top. In times of scarcity, mock cherry pie became a notable alternative during the Great Depression, using cranberries and raisins to replicate the flavor of cherry when fresh cherries were not available. Despite its resourcefulness, it faced criticism for failing to replicate the beloved taste of traditional cherry pie. Carrot pie, gaining popularity in the mid-20th century, utilized cooked and mashed carrots as a sweetener, similar to pumpkin pie. However, many found its dense texture and flavor unappealing, leading it to be viewed as one of the least favored desserts. The ingredients of the pie include lemon juice, buttermilk, eggs, and vanilla extract, all contributing to its unique flavor profile. This dessert was often served at family dinners due to its simplicity. Shoofly Pie, originating from Pennsylvania Dutch cuisine, features a rich molasses filling topped with a crumbly mixture. It was first created to celebrate the Declaration of Independence. Grasshopper pie rose to fame in the 1950s, celebrated for its mint flavor and vibrant green hue. Its filling, comprised of whipped cream and marshmallows, provided a light and airy texture. Mock mincemeat pie sought to deliver a cost-effective substitute for traditional recipes. However, it often faced criticism for its peculiar savory-sweet flavor combination that many found unappealing. Tuna fish pie served as a quick meal option that blended canned tuna with mayonnaise, yet its unusual texture led to widespread dislike among diners. Finally, buttermilk pie, a Southern classic, gained popularity for its simplicity, though it was often criticized for its overly sweet taste and inconsistent custard texture.